Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department A shift of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Next chapter is industrial installation. This chapter having 10 marks. It has number of contents. The industrial installation is similar to like the commercial as well as residential installation, but it is difference that commercial installation is used for the small shop mall, but in the industrial installation, for example, is MIDC. So let's see what is the industrial installation. So what are the meaning of industrial installation? In industrial load, power load, electrical machine load is more than the light load. Three-phase load is more than the single-phase load. Power factor of the load is less than unity. It should be improved. Then tariff of industrial load is different. All safety precautions, for example MCB, ELCB, MCCB and fuses should be installed. The electrical earthing resistance should be maintained. The size of earth wire is 8 SWG copper or 6 SWG GI. So this is the industrial load. Then classification of industrial load. So industrial load classify into the three categories. First is small scale industries, second is medium scale industries, and third one is big industry. So let's see one by one. First one is small scale industries. This industry produce small machine, equipment, parts required for the big machinery. Then repair, finishing jobs, supplying parts as per the order of the big organization. The building type for this industries is small building in or nearer to the city, medium or small workshop sheds. Then power requirement is in small amount 3-phase up to 30 kilowatt is the power requirement. Then less investment and the less number of technicians and few laborers, supervisor, 1 or 2 mechanical engineers are required. So this is the small scale industry. Now next is medium scale industry. These industries have the medium production, machine made up of the medium size of articles, sellable product on the mass scale, continuous working in the shifts. Buildings are medium scale building, different sections, shapes, then automate machine section, etc. These are the buildings. Technician required 30 to 40 and 2 to 4 supervisors are required. Laborers are 20 and engineers are 10. Then power requirement is up to the 1 to 2 megawatt. Then medium investment, not too much high and no low. Then location is outside, away from the city area in MIDC. Then controlled by the single person or 2 to 3 partners are control this type of industries. Then next is big industry. This industry products machine, article, mobile vehicle on large scale. Machine activities continuous in the 3 shift. Power requirements are in large scale. Separate high tension 11 kV line from the supply companies in the premises of the industry. Bill payment to the electricity company as per the separate tariff. That means sometimes maximum demand tariffs are required for these big industries. Location in industrial areas away from the cities. Land requirement is large scale. then manufacturing sections and independent, then building single stored on ground level with more heights, air circulation, daylight use in the big size window, and also arrangement by the reflector from the top portions of the building. Security department and fire bridge system, then social activity club, residence provision for the certain staff, canteen, breakfast, lunch facilities by the firm, first aid, medical treatment, medical experts separate room, then investment in the large scale, then pleasant atmosphere, garden, mid time, restroom. So these are the big industries. Now comparison of the different industries, small scale, medium scale and the large scale. So land space for the small scale industries is small, medium scale के लिए medium and large scale के लिए large. Then worker required for the small scale industries is 20 to 40. For medium scale industries 50 to 150 and large scale industries more than 150 workers are required. Then supervisor 1 to 2 for the small scale industries, 2 to 4 for the medium scale industries and 2 in every section in the large scale industries. So engineers 1 to 2 for the small scale industries, medium scale industries 8 to 10 and large scale industries many. Facility no canteen, no residence for the small scale industries. For medium scale industries only canteen facility is there, and for the large scale industries canteen, lunch, residence colony, etc. These are the facilities for the large scale industries. Then power requirement is 30 kilowatt for the small scale industries, 1 to 2 kilowatt megawatt for the medium scale industries, and the large scale industries more than 2 megawatt, that means lunch, more separate substations, etc. Then location nearer in the city of the small scale industry, medium scale industry away from the cities, and large scale industries in industrial area or the separate location for the particular industry. Then next is investment. Investment is small in the small scale industry, medium in medium scale industry and the much more in the large scale industry. Safety provision not so in the small scale industries. Medium type of safety provision are provided to the medium scale industries and they must be large in the city. So these are the comparison between the three different types of industries. Then following rules and regulation of industrial wiring. So first one is each motor should be provided with the separate cable for the distribution board or the main board. Then each motor should be individually controlled. Then rating of fuse, ICTP, ICDP and starter should be based on the starting current, which is assumed 2 times rated input current. The next is motor should be earthed at 2 distinct terminal by the 8 SWG copper wire. The next is voltage drop in the cable should be tolerance limit plus minus 5%. All protective measures should be installed for the each motor. Control unit should be nearer to the motor as far as possible. Suitable kVAR rating of capacitor should be installed near to the motor. Why rating of cable depends on the starting current of the induction motor connection. For any type of induction motor, starter is required to minimize the starting current. In practice, starting current is almost 5 to 7 times of the rated current for fraction of second. Sustain this heavy current size of cable is decided by the starting current. Rating of the cable depends on the following factor. First one is to sustain the momentary short circuit fault. Then next is to sustain the starting surge. Next is to sustain the 50% overload on the motor. Then for future expansion. Next is permissible voltage drop in the cable. Starting current is decided by the above factors. The starting current is assumed 1.5 to 2 times of the rated current for induction motor according to the size of cable is decided. So this is the rating of cable selection. Next is permissible limit for the earth resistance in industrial installation. So earth resistance, it should be very low for the industrial installation. It should be equal to or less than 5 ohm or 8 ohm for small scale industries, and it should be very low, less than 5 ohm for the medium and the large scale industries. This is the single line diagram for the 3-phase induction motor. So first, 3-phase AC supply which is given to the energy meter. Then energy meter connected to the main fuse. Then main fuse is connected to the ICTP, that means ironclad triple pole switch. Then this switch is connected to the starter, star delta starter or other any type of starter. Then that means starter which is depends on the motor. Then this starter is connected to the motor. So starter is used to start the motor. With the help of starter, motor will start or stop. So this is the single line diagram for 3-phase induction motor. Thank you.